Hello good people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Now I want to say thank you if you have considered subscribing on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and if you are new, kindly do so. Now welcome. Now today, remember guys, in my video I did so many videos showing you how to do blah blah changeover switch automatic. Now today I want to do a pre video showing you how this automatic, this one is an a changeover switch, but the manual one. Remember I did a video, if you go there on my YouTube channel, showing you how this contactors works on a automatic changeover switch. Now today I want to repeat some a video, and I want to show you how you see this manual changeover, guys. This one, it's you may use it on a three phase, mean the yellow, red, blue, yellow, also that way. So it has the first terminal here, the line you see here is for the, you may use it for the grid. Then this one you may use it for the solar or generator. Then down here you see it has been looped. Now this one here is the part where your load peaks. So let me start by wiring my load. Guys. Remember I did a video showing you, so I can decide, because I have a single phase, I will use this terminal and this one, or this one, or this one, or this one, or this one. So let me use for the live, let me use this one. Remember this one, they have looped for you, so it means this channel here is where you are. So I can decide use this one or this one. So in that case, let me use the last one here. Last one here. They have looped for you. You see they have looped. It means this line is one part. So whether you like, you use it, this part or this one, you use this or this one. But when you come up here, when we will be coming up here, you see up here, guys. So this one is, this part is for the grid, this one is for the solar. You can decide, you can use this one for the grid or this one for the solar, this one for the grid, for the solar, or this one for the grid. So in that case, let me use for the grid. You see I have my dipole poles here. So this one here is for the grid and this one here for the solar. So for the grid, remember down there I used this part, this terminal here for the live, part, and this last one here for the neutral. So guys, what I'm going to do, so let me use this one. I will change it down there. Let me use this second one. So let me change, guys. So guys, as you can see, so this part here I've decided to use for the grid. Then this part here I will decide to use for the solar. So let me show you something. So I'm going to put on the solar part, the grid, then switch on here. If you have seen, so this one. So let me put it on. So I'm going to return this. So then that is off, you see. So I'm using kind of a grid only. So for the grid, it is down here. So you've seen. So that one is off. Then we decide to put the solar. It is off because I've not connected it to solar. So then I put off. So let me put the solar. So guys, let me insert the neutral. Let me remove my hand so that you can see. So my live wire from the solar. So guys, that one is not tight. Okay guys, as you can see, this is how my changeover, the manual one, looks like. So if you follow these cables, this one is for the solar, and then this one here is for the grid. So the grid, then down here is our load. So it is time for us to put it on. So first of all, let me put on my grid. Then remember our grid was down. That one was our grid down here, if you can remember. So then at the center here it is off. Then up here, when you extend here, that one is for the solar. So let me put on my solar. You see guys, so that's when I put on. That is on. You see now it is on. Then that is off. We've decided to go off, and then we decide to change to the grid. That is for the grid. Then that is for off. Then that is for the solar. So guys, a manual changeover, it is the easiest one, but you need to work manually. Then you can choose, either you go automatic or you go manual. Now guys, thank you for following me up until the end of this time. Now thank you, keep following me for more videos. Thank you guys.